So for Module 5, Lesson 12, the homework is pretty similar to what we've been doing, but they specifically say that they want us to solve this two different ways for 1A. So I'm going to do one way of solving it and then make a couple suggestions for other ways to solve it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do the number bond way, and we're going to make the next 100. So when I'm looking at these numbers, I notice that 290 is really close to 300, so I'm just going to go ahead and make it so that it can be 300. So I'm going to go ahead and split this, and to make 300, I'm going to just need 10 more over here, which leaves me with 425 right here. So here's one of my math problems right here. So that's going to be 300 plus 425, which equals 725. Alright. And so it does say use two different strategies. I chose one that most of you seem to find a little bit more difficult. You could solve this using the arrow method. You could solve this with a place value chart. Those are just a couple of the other methods that you could use. And as you're going through this homework, keep an eye on what they're actually asking you to do. So they say to explain which strategy would be easier and why. For part C of problem 1. Then further along in the problem set, it says that you need to choose the best strategy and solve, and then you need to be able to explain why you chose that strategy. So like I said, with this particular problem right here, I chose that strategy because it was really close to 300 right here. So all I had to do was break this apart.